Hello and welcome to Ballet Basics for Adults series. I'm Alessia. Today we're gonna throw some legs in the air and work on grand battement. Are you ready? Getting rid of all the Frenchiness and just going for the high kicking legs. Make sure you get rid of the furniture just in case lots of kicking involved. Let's do it. It's really time to throw our legs up in the air. How do we do that? Obviously with the grand battement. We've come from something that very nice and slow like an adagio and the développé. And now here what I want you to learn is something very majestic. It's already grand, it's big, and we're trying to lift our legs as high as we can. But still keeping the technique nice and pretty, because it doesn't matter if our legs is wrapped around our legs and we look like a Picasso painting. We want to have that pretty and beautiful line, so even if your leg does not reach up there, I'm more interested in dynamic and how you look and the beauty of it that comes out than the Picasso weird thing that comes out by dancing. Okay, so grand battement starts always at the bar and we are kicking our legs up high. So in other words, it's a kick. But how do we do the kick? So remember, we start from the tendu, we go to the glissé, we go to the jeté, which is 45, to finally arrive to développés at 90 degrees and grand battement starting at 90 degrees, okay, because it's grand. How do we do that? We said it's majestic, it's got a lot of power, and it's for the big jumps or anything that requires that majestic big on stage, yes? So we're thinking about a kick. Supporting leg does not move like we've just done throughout the whole bar, and we're kicking, coming back, kicking, coming back. Are we grabbing the bar like crazy? No! Nice and relaxed, you're pushing down. If nothing else, there would be so much excitement, you would just go, oh, I want to jump, yeah? That is the beginning of the jump. So we are brushing the foot, we are taking that power from the foot and pushing and coming back, pushing and coming back. Same thing to the side. Remember, tendu, jeté, we've missed out on the glissé, développé and grand battement. So, grand, yeah, very good. We're not kicking like Karate Kid style. Remember, we're going push from the quad up here. The quad and the knee are always going up towards the ceiling. To make it easier, face the bar in first position for now. We are going to the back, yeah? Same thing that we've learned in the développé. We are not going into this weird Picasso position, yeah? Or we're not even doing ironing boards, okay? We don't want ironing boards. We want our back to be nicely straight, parallel to the bar. We go into a jeté and we'll try to keep the back as straight as possible without yanking it to the back, but slightly indulging into having the bar helping us out towards it, yeah? So that's why I'm saying no ironing boards, no weird kicking at the back. A nice, beautiful, long line as a banana shape. Think about the banana is not broken. I don't like a broken banana, okay? Whoosh and back, and whoosh and back. And the shoulders are always in line with your bar. They're not here, they're not there, they're not here. Okay, very good. This is all you need to know about grand battement. I want you to find that power from the legs. Remember, they're going to be huge, big jumps when you get more confident with the ballet. I can't wait for that day. Come on, we're gonna work towards it. Okay, bigger jumps, so our neighbors are gonna be super happy. Let's do the exercise for grand battement. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there, so you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. Grandma goes like this. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and rise and down. Yeah, do not move the legs. Keep them where they are just to keep the whole legs and bum squeezing. We go 1 and 2. Second time to go plie and stretch. 1 and 2. 3 times up and here. From here we go. Coupe with the back leg. Bourrées, and close. Haha, something new. Bourrées, yeah? Little steps, they go, yeah, I can do this. It's not a lambada, but it's only the little feet that move, yeah? Nothing else. We go to the side, always close in front. Side and close and rise and down. Side and close, plie, and stretched, and up and down and rise. This time stay up. We bourre to change the leg behind. Okay, so from here you've got your right leg in front. You've done the rise. You bourre. This time the left leg comes in front and you're right in front of the bar. So you're preparing with the right leg doing the grand battement. We go grand battement and rise and down. Grand battement, plie and stretch. Grand battement and rise and stay. Come back, come back, come back. And in. From here, take a moment of lifting up and opening. Close, lift, up, open, close, on the tippy toes, letting go, you open, and finito. Shall we give it a go? Simple, simple, yeah? Let's do it. And hand on the hip, go 1, and lift and down, and 1. And stretch. 1 and lift. Little coupe with the left. Bourre. And squeeze. Side close in front. Lift. Very good. Side. And plie. Very nice. Side. In. Lift. Stay there. Right leg goes behind. In front of the bar. Stretch, pull back, lift, stay, change again, arm up, out, close and up, open and lift, open, up, stay, open, and finito. Other side. Prepare, hand on hip. Go 1 and lift and brush. Plie. Last one forward. Lift, down and side. Go side, plie, out, lift, stay up, left leg goes behind, very good, back, lift, nice and tall, good, plie, nice, back, lift, stay, change the leg again, very good. Open, close. 5th. With the rise. Rise. Find the balance. Grab the bar. And incredible work. I'm so proud of you, and I really hope that all those kickings of legs around didn't actually break anything in the house. Let me know in a comment below how it went. I want to know all about your progress. And if you're ready for the next step, let's discover the difference between releve and rises. Very similar, but very different.